Hi everybody, Giovanni here. Today we're going to discuss my Herbalife transformation journey. In 2018, I weighed 252 pounds. That is the heaviest I've ever been in my life. Yep, that's one big dude. I was able to lose 50 pounds. 50! Had great energy and I maintained that weight loss for quite some time. And then 2020 comes around, boom, coronavirus. Just like everybody else, the stress level is really high. I made bad choices for my nutrition and I gained weight. I ended up weighing up to 219 pounds. So I decided, you know what? I can't let this happen. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gym. So I hit the gym, then boom, the governor decides to close down the gym. So what am I supposed to do? So I decided to incorporate a 21-day challenge on myself where I focus on nutrition. And there's no gym, no weights, just nutrition and walking. And I decided to record it and share it with you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and play those videos for you. Just please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. And also, while that's playing, afterwards I'm gonna discuss my nutrition plan on what I ate, when I ate it, and also I have a surprise on what's upcoming in my next video. So please enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Hey everyone, Giovanni here. This time I'm gonna do things a little different. I'm gonna document this journey, see what my progress is from now till the end of the month, which is my birthday. I'm gonna change up my nutrition plan a little bit because it's a little strict. So this is day one. Start off with a 3-mile walk in the morning with Jaden here, and we'll see how it goes. See you at the end of the month. All right, week one was a little tough. I had to pretty much cut carbs and I felt like I was in detox. It was not easy. Very weak, even though I drank plenty of tea, give me energy, increase my metabolism. Didn't really work. So this week I'm doing things a little different. I'm still gonna have my 2 shakes in the meal, and that meal is not gonna have any carbs. However, my morning shake, I'll have it oatmeal. Oatmeal is good carbs for you to have, especially at post-workout. So we'll see how it goes this week. Still lost some weight the first week. I know most of it probably is water weight, but still, we'll see how it goes. Let's start week 2. Hi everybody. This is day 1 of week 3, last week of my 21-day challenge. Week 2, way better feeling than I did in week 1. Week 1, it's like I was detoxing. It was rough. Week 2, I killed it. Didn't have any cravings. I had to make some alterations. Instead of having my meal at lunchtime, I moved my meal for dinner time. So I had a heavy meal at night, so I wasn't hungry late at night. Also, Perlessa arrived, and if you don't know, Perlessa controls your hunger. So, big lifesaver. So, week 3, I took my weigh in. I like where I'm at right now. So we'll see where I could accomplish this last week, and then I will see what else more I can do. So stay tuned. See you soon. Alright, thank you for watching that part of the video. So let's discuss my nutrition and how I did during that challenge. So first and foremost, the results, yes? So after 21 days of walking and sticking to my nutrition, this is the results. Fire. Nice, huh? Not bad for no gym, just strictly nutrition and walking. Okay? Anybody could do it. So now let's talk about the nutrition. In the morning I had my oatmeal every day. Never changed. And then lunch, in the beginning I had a meal, but I switched it out and I had my shake for lunch. And for dinner I had options where it was no carbs at all whatsoever. So I actually made chicken. I marinated chicken that'll last for about 3 to 4 days, and I made different cuisines. I baked the chicken, I grilled the chicken, I did like a chicken parmesan, a grilled chicken parmesan for one day. I did shredded chicken. For week 2 was more of a ground turkey type of week, so I did a ground turkey picadillo, which is a Cuban dish. I actually made a video of it if you'd like to go to my page and see the recipe for that. Week 2 was actually interesting because I ended up finding cauliflower rice, and that's, man, that cauliflower rice is awesome. Feels like you're eating rice, but I just season it with some Cajun seasoning and put some jalapenos in it, man. Oh, heaven. Other than that, some veggies, some broccoli. If I felt like it wasn't enough, I had a side salad. But the main thing is a large amount of that protein. I would say I probably had a cup of the shredded chicken or the picadillo, and to a cup of the cauliflower rice. And at night, eating that meal satisfied me, so I wouldn't have those cravings at night. One thing that really helped me out is Prolesa. If you don't know what Prolesa is all about, man. Prolesa, it focuses, it's a fat burner for Herbalife. It controls your hunger. It's just awesome. I had my teas 3 times a day, in the morning, for lunch, and after dinner. I made sure I had fiber with my teas, and that also, fiber helps you control your hunger also. If you want more recipe ideas, please leave a comment below or send me a message on Instagram, Giovanni_24fit. Like I said before, please do subscribe, comment, and like this video. But that surprise I have for you, which is the next upcoming video. Oh, look at that cake. Herbalife cake. 174 calories, 12 grams of protein. Look at this, man. So, very simple. Top it off with some fat-free whipped cream. Look at that. Get some sugar-free caramel. Let's put this bad boy on here. Oh yeah. Yep. And then dust it off with some graham cracker crumbles. Look at that. Delicious. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I have more videos and more recipes like the donut, crepes, waffles. If you have anything that you'd like to know or any questions, please do leave me a comment. Send me a DM. Thank you. Peace.